Brian and I head to the North Fork of the Clearwater, one of our favorite places. It's smoky and it's hot, but we're camped on Jackknife Creek, so it's nearly perfect. Everybody loves huckleberries except Ivy, and Sarvis berries, and what were the other berries? Oh, thimble berries. Well, I didn't think too much either of those, but if you were starving out in the woods, you can certainly survive on them. I was pretty disappointed when we got to Junction Lookout. The last time I was here was probably back in the 80s or 90s, maybe. Smokes really moved in. But there was a manned lookout, and the lookout was in good shape, and now it looks like it's on its last legs. Deep and smoky. They've even pulled the bottom stairs off so you can't approach the lookout. We just stopped at this lovely watering hole. It's got a pipe coming out of the spring right here. So we were able to fill up our water bottles. It's about probably a quarter of a mile from the turnoff to the lookout. Gave the dogs a nice chance to tank up on water. The week after we're down there, they closed the road from Bungalow down to Aquarius because of a fire that's near Washington Creek, about 3 miles below, I guess. It's always interesting to watch those big helicopters, and when we were on Lochsa last summer when Rob was working up there, this guy came through. Burned pretty hot in here, and so there's not much shade through this section. Sassy appears delighted that she found a bone, and she's packing it down the trail with her. I think she's tired. I think we're all tired, huh, Ivy? You better be nice, it'll make you sleep outside tonight, Sassy. Morning devotions would definitely be easier if you didn't have this goofy little puppy interrupting all the time. Headed out this morning, it's still smoky.